Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me and my dashboard layout. And as a reminder, I'm using this as my social media planner. So before we jump in, just a few reminders. If you enjoyed the video, show your girl some love by giving me the thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you're currently using the dashboard layout and what purpose are you using it for. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would love to have you here. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget the notification bell. And it is just that simple to join Team Bella, and we would love to have you. And I want to shout out all my A1s from day one. Hey y'all, what's up? Thank you for hanging in there with your girl. Okay, so this week I thought I would take a little old school and mix it with new school. So I am using the Socialite stickers from the Socialite Happy Planner Girl. So I'm using the accessory book. I use the mini sticker book, also the classic size sticker book. And I also mixed the new end with our new Mega Floral Sticker Book. So, yeah. Whew. So I am excited for this week in social media. I feel like my layout last week, that was the one with Mickey. It worked. I'm not gonna say that it didn't. I'm getting more comfortable using it in the, okay, let's see. It's just me. I'm slow. Using it as a social media planner, and it did not take me so long to figure out this week what I was going to do in terms of decorating it. So this is a just a piece of note paper that came in the accessory book, and I like to sometimes take this and just use these in my spreads. I think that they're great. They really are great to use. I'm gonna grab my Uniball Signo, and I'm just gonna try to get rid of the white lines or the dark lines that's here, and also right here. Just gonna cover that up. So I hope everyone has had a fantastic week. I've had a crazy week. I have got so much going on right now in terms of work, but you know, work is always going to be work, right? So it's not like I don't have the option not to work. So work is what it's gonna be. All right, boom. So we'll put that there. And then we're gonna take this. No, I stuck it on my wax paper. I don't know why I'm hiding the wax paper. It's not a secret. And I want to try to bring this all the way over here because I have a quote that I want to layer like up in this area. And I think it's gonna look a little bit cluttered. Let's see. But I also wanted to put this "You Are Amazing" down here as well. But maybe this is a better use here instead of using "You Are Amazing." All right. So right here, I'm gonna grab this Uniball Signo again, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to cover up the boxes here and also the lines. I'm putting in a clear sticker, putting some florals so that we can tie those beautiful Socialite florals into the spread. So here we go. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna show through, but if we can just white it out, that'll be better. And that's kind of like a guarantee that it won't show through. So, the week has been busy. I have an announcement I'm going to make on my, like kind of later in the week. Let's see. What do you guys think about that? I kind of like how that looks there. We just have to, I'm just gonna play with it and see. Y'all know I'm gonna try to put this sticker here. Oh my goodness. And I love these little confetti stickers, so I figured it would be appropriate to put them different places, especially like places like right here, in between here. Put it up here. Now, these, what I use these areas for, so the boxes, that's where I track my Instagram stats as well as my YouTube stats. So I really don't want to put that black on there. And I think this will actually look all right right here. All right. Okay. And I'm thinking that we can, down here at this bottom part, we can get rid of this and add some florals in this corner here. Kind of cluster it in this corner a little bit. All right, so we got this pink one. I'm okay with it. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go and get this other side together here. Okay, so I decided to speed this up. This part of the video was relatively uneventful, so I thought a voiceover would be great. So I used those asterisks. It's hard for me to say that word. So, you know, I'm not going to try to say it again. And the little banners, I alternated those throughout the spread. With the Today stickers, I brought in the pop of gold to this side of the spread. Those, and I apologize for the TV in the background. Mr. Master Plan is watching TV in the living room. So I apologize for that. But definitely, I just wanted to make sure I brought in all of the colors, and I think that I did a pretty good job of that. And now I'm just going back, and right there I lost the asterisks, but then I found it, because you guys know every time I put these down I lose them. I also wanted to bring pops of the florals besides on the very top of the spread, so I decided to cut that floral in half and then add the pink one there in the corner. So at first I put this up top and I'm like, ugh, that is so whack. So I removed it and I just put it long ways, and that's me just taking the scissors and trimming off any hangage that I had from the other stickers. So I'm not sure what I popped on that other side for. Oh, I know, I pulled up a part of that sticker that I didn't want there. So here on the bottom, I'm just going to line that confetti up so that I can have that confetti consistent on both sides of my spread. So there I'm trimming off anything that is hanging or the hangage on the bottom. So that is my completed spread for my social media planner. I kind of like it. It's a little different. There's one thing I don't like. And let me see what I did with my undo. there we have it. We are all set in our social media planner with the Socialite sticker book. Loving the way that it looks. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.